What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video. And yes, we're back at it with another quad box for September 2018. Now you might be thinking to yourself, hey, it's like kind of getting, we're a bunch of days into October. It's like the 8th or 9th already, at least at the recording of this video. This is when the box came. It showed up at my door today, and we're gonna take a look at it. Now, to be honest, I've already cracked this guy open and taken a quick peek. I won't say no more than that, so this is not a first impression. But other than that, yeah, this is September. Next week I'm getting ready to pay for October. Who knows when we're going to get that box, but anyway, I get it. It's hard to do these things, so anyway, let's open it up. Let's not waste too much time because you just don't really care about my time wasting. Alright, let's see. Our sponsored pilot box for the month of September, Mr. Vortex himself. These are some cool stickers, and you know, Quad Box is good for stickers and t-shirts. You know, there's a really cool scene there with the, it looks like it's the kind of like a liftoff scene a little bit, but whatever. Bando scene or whatever. Little drone up there. Vortex. Alright. Props for this month. We've got the T-Motor 5143 light props. Now, I actually haven't used any of these props. I was thinking about checking them out, and look, they do have the Popo shaft in there, so if you do have Popo motors, these are going to be good to go. Man, these are light. Oh my goodness, they're light. They're going to be light and fast. Now 5143, so you would imagine they're not going to be that aggressive, but they look okay. I'll check them out on something. I've got some stuff that can handle 51 5.1. So yeah, we got 3 of those in purple. I used to be a purple fanboy, but I haven't been using purple so much. Alright, let's check out. We got a tool. We got a pair of side cutters. Now, everyone could always use a pair of side cutters. You know, they're going to be cheap, whatever. But they look okay. If you don't have a pair of these flush cutters, these side flush cutters, like here's the pair that I use. These are, I think these are by Made in Italy, CHP. These are great. These last forever. But you know, you can, if you already have a pair, you can use these for zip ties and just keep those strictly for wire or whatever. But yeah, pair of flush cutters. These are always great to use. We got our other little, so we got another little tool in here. I think this is going to be a voltage meter. I actually got to cut it. Yes, this is going to be a voltage checker. Now, you might be thinking this is something special, but I can tell you now, it's just got a fancy case on it. These are just like the basic. Hang on a second. This is basically one of these cheap checkers inside of this box, which is cool. Again, it's a useful tool if you don't have one, or you know, you want to throw one in your box or keep it somewhere else. These are cool, and you can use these as low battery alarms in, say, a wing or something. So yeah, that's cool, useful, not super crazy. All right, and then the other thing is we got 15% off at Quad Box. That's our discount for the month. Let's look at our, what do you call, our boost item for the month. We got a Foxeer F405 all-in-one flight controller. This is pretty cool. This is a little newer. We got a capacitor, 35 volt 470. And we got the, see now, I hate these style grommets. There's too much space. They don't fit on the screws, but anyway. Alright, there you go, an all-in-one board. I don't see any connector for a 4-in-1 ESC, so it looks like we're not going to be getting that. So this is going to be more specifically for separate ESCs. So there you go. Flight controller, can't beat that. Could always use a spare flight controller. And let's check out the shirt, and we'll wrap this guy up. So again, cool, it's that it's that sticker that was on the other pack there. It's kind of like the scene. Let's scan up. cool. Very, very cool. I like it. Okay. So, quad box for September. Again, I'm pretty happy with it. We got a voltage checker, we got flush cutters, we got a Maytech, 3 sets of pretty new T-Motor props, and our stickers, and 15% off at Quad Box. There you go. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.